name is Mercy Changwesha. I am an immigration attorney based out of the Raleigh-Durham area in North Carolina, and I do serve clients in other states as well. Today, I wanted to talk a little bit about the sibling petition. As you may know, a U.S. citizen may be able to petition for their brother or their sister to enter the United States as a green card holder or what we call a lawful permanent resident. So just a few things to keep in mind about the sibling visa. Number one is that the sibling visa is a process that takes a very long time. Right now in May of 2022, we are seeing them grant green cards to people who petitioned for their siblings in 2007. So we are looking at about a 14 to 15 year wait. And that's something that's important to let your sibling know as you petition for them, so they understand that the process will take a while. The other thing I wanted to note about the sibling visa is, even though it takes a long time, it does allow for derivatives. So that means when your sibling gets their visa, they are able to enter the United States with their spouse and with their children under the age of 21. So that's one thing that's a good thing about the sibling visa, is that the sibling, when they eventually get their green card, they can come in with their family, and their family members will also receive a green card. The other thing about the sibling visa is it doesn't only cover biological siblings. You may be able to petition for adoptive siblings. You may also be able to petition for step siblings. The other thing also to remember is, if you are a U.S. citizen and you're petitioning for your sibling, but your sibling is already in the United States, you have to consider that your sibling may not be able to apply for their green card within the United States. If they have accrued unlawful presence during the 15 years that they were waiting, or 15 years that they're waiting for the sibling petition to be approved, they will not be able to apply for their green card within the United States. They will be required to exit and apply at a U.S. consulate abroad. And that, of course, does bring in certain complications, because if they've accrued a lawful presence for over a year, they will be barred from returning to the United States for 10 years once they exit the country. So they would need a waiver. So those are just things to consider if your sibling is already living in the United States, especially if they're out of status and accruing a lawful presence. If you have any questions for me, please feel free to get in touch. Thank you.